Do you like pasta? Well, if you do, then here's a summer pasta recipe for you. Boil some water in a frying pan and add the pasta to it when it's boiling. Give it a minute to boil again and add some salt to it. When the pasta is done, drain it and pour it all out into a deep plate. Get some hummus and scoop some of it onto the pasta. Stir it up.
Stir it up.
Add some freshly chopped purple onions, cucumber, tomatoes, and basil to it. Then add some soy sauce and ground up flax seeds and some wholesome olive oil, and top it all off with some peanuts, and presto! Enjoy, my friends.